up? This is Zane again. Go on top of this train so Tyler can check it out. Cause he's a little too scared to climb it. But he's making me climb it again. Put the phone down for a second. Alright. If I drop my fucking phone, where are you going? Oh, fuck. Caution, no sides up. Damn. Okay, here's what it looks like up here. Nice and... What's all that? Fucking magical up here. Now, how do I get down? Huh? You said the police is coming?
Huh?
What'd you say? How do catch? Fuck what? Huh?
Hey, drop it.
Drop it? Yeah, fuck yeah.
I see you. Oh, I see.
Yeah, there's what the hobos they got whenever they catch a train. Right in there. Okay.
You get a video?
Yep.